Alright, so this video is a 2018 MX-5 Miata Club. I was trying to find a way to be able to clean the rain rails easily. Actually pretty simple. So you have the panel right here, just sits right across the door panel. So essentially all you do is you just pull it up. You'll have three little clips, one right there, one right there, and one right there. They're just little push clips. So you just pop it out with the end of a screw and you can get it out. So right behind here, you just reach your hand through. Watch out for these little guys because these things will 100% rip your skin up. But there's a gap that's right here. There's a little cup and there's a clip. So all you do is you push down this clip and you wiggle this out. As you can see, it's kind of separates itself right there and it locks in place. So you just have to undo that clip and you pull this out. Now this right here is what catches the dirt. Everything from your rain rails. That goes all the way from the edge, all the way downward. And then there's a tube that goes down to the bottom. So you have to get that. Underneath where that little piece was is this piece. So this is a little rubber piece that sits underneath. It pretty much catches the gunk so it doesn't clog up the drain, so that you don't end up having the issue of rotting like the NAs did, and NAs and NBs. So periodically, this is a 2018, has 12,000 miles on it. So essentially, I would recommend every once in a while, you can see how gunked up that is. Already did the other side. Super simple. Once you get it done on one side, you just go ahead and knock it out on the other. Easiest methods, just have a flathead screwdriver and move the seat up as far as possible. You once you remove those, just have the top on the kind of partially open, and you can reach your hand in there. You'll feel this top clip, and you literally just, it'll be sitting in there like this against the side. Just pull this clip, you move it back, unclip it out, and you just run this under some water and you clip it right in. As simple as that. That's how you clean the little kind of gutters, as you could call it, gutter traps. If you have any questions, feel free to comment on the section below. Thanks.